Harry with Rack Your Garage. I've just finished installing 5 racks in this garage. There's 5 8-foot by 4-foot racks. And all 5's total capacity is 3,000 pounds. Because each rack will hold 600 pounds each. And I put 5 of them in here. These 2 will go right above the garage door. The door will open just perfectly. So you can keep all those things that are out of season that you just don't need. And then there's 2 super accessible racks right here. That's just over 6.5 feet off the ground, but still get totes double high. And then on this far side, the same as well. So you can comfortably reach it. And this is a brand new home in the Daybreak area. So if you've got a garage that you need some more storage in, maybe you've just bought a new home, you're just moving in, we can come and help you. Harry with Rack Your Garage.